Shalom. Shalom. There's cars riding by. I speak louder with the aim that you can hear me louder, clearly. That's all. But shalom. When it comes to rebuilding, when he is doing rebuilding, new construction, there's always demolition involved. And that demolition that's involved, most of the time, you get things dug up, from the foundation, underneath the ground, underneath what's seen, all the way down, foundation. What? A person's very foundation being destroyed. And the thing about when we go through this process, I know personally, oh my goodness, when demolition is involved in oneself that Yah's doing, I've done a lot of demolition work in my lifetime. When you got the bulldozer or you got the sledgehammer, right, and you're destroying something to rebuild, there's always some stuff there that you never thought was there. There's always some, like, an extra wall you didn't think that was there, extra support beam that you didn't know was there, a support beam, and all these things that are in the construction, in the foundation, that you didn't know was there until the demolition work started. Yeah, stuff that's in the foundation that you didn't know was there, but you found out once the demolition, the deconstruction had continued, because the first deconstruction goes up top. Everything above gets torn down. Everything that you can see or hear, everything above that you can naturally behold gets torn down. But then you're not done. Then the things underneath gotta get destroyed to a whole new foundation has to be laid. And this is why Messiah said what? The very rock that the builders rejected has become the chief cornerstone. And anyone who knows anything about building, that cornerstone is the first one that's laid inside the foundation. And everything else is built upon it. If this structure had nerve endings and had feelings, it probably went through some pain. But whoever the builder is here, got something better in mind, right? Shalom.